Welcome to our live cooking expedition today with myself and Ash. I'll just post this comment. Ash Pollard is busy preparing in the kitchen. We are so pumped today. Welcome. So Ash and I thought it would be an awesome idea, just waiting for Ash to request to join my video, to create something in the kitchen for you today. So I'm going to do my version and she's going to do hers. We decided on a family-friendly pasta, which majority rules. Ash, are you requesting? Let's see if I can invite. Where is she? I want to see your mise en place, Ash. Hey everyone, welcome, Florida, woohoo! So nice to have you all. Okay, I've got like 70 people requesting to let's see, hurry! I've accepted you, Ash, so it should request. There you are!
Oh my God, we're here.
We made it live on the air.
Hi,
Hold on.
everyone.
I'm going to move this back a bit, Ash.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
This isn't the right setup. Hold on, guys. This is so basic.
You've got a fancy apron on.
I've got my name
Ash.
on it.
Oh, that's so beautiful. It's funny because I thought you would have an apron.
Yeah. Did you bring an apron?
Well, I don't have one, so I got Violet's.
Oh, that's cute. Put it on.
Yeah, it's got Play-Doh on it.
Oh, this is so great. Look at everybody joining. I'm so chuffed about that. You know, you get really anxious before you do these lives and you think, oh, 2 people are going to tune in, but shit, we've got 760 something people. So thank you for joining us. I hope we're not boring.
I hope we're not going to bore you to bits. It seems like everyone doesn't work at lunchtime on a Friday.
Oh, shit, you're going to put the hat on? All right, so should we get stuck into it? I want to know what you're cooking because we are going to do the good chef, bad chef thing today. But I'm nervous for you, not so much me.
Well, I'm sorry that I'm not doing the fancy pants version of a bechamel, whatever you call it.
It's bechamel.
Bechamel. Okay, what I'm going to do, Ash, is we're going to do a family-friendly pasta. My pasta's overheated.
Have you already put the pasta on?
Yes.
Oh, my God. Yeah, go on. So you're doing a family-friendly... You've already cooked it. This is your problem. You always cook pasta. You cook your dinner around 3 o'clock and you're cooking pasta then.
Okay.
You've got it.
I thought that would take a little bit longer. Usually
that pasta is still cooking. You realise that, right?
What now?
Even when you drain the hot water off and you leave it sitting there, it's still going to cook. So it's going to be beyond al dente by the time it's served up.
Like when you bring out a piece of steak and it's still cooking, right?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Okay. So my pasta's done. I'm doing a lentil pasta, a red lentil pasta.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm doing a roast capsicum sauce. So I don't really have much to do because I've already roasted the vegetables as well.
Fucking hell. Good, love it.
So I've got.
Concentrate. People are going to start logging out in a minute.
Can you stop laughing at me?
Right.
Okay, I've got capsicum, I've got onion, I've got those blistered tomatoes, you gave me that idea. Thyme, olive oil, salt and pepper.
Nice. So you put all that in the oven?
25 minutes.
Yep.
That's when I was in the shower. And then I'm going to blend all of this with coconut cream.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And the good thing is, so with these sorts of dishes, because I'm going to create the sauce with this as the base, I can just use whatever's in my fridge. So I've roasted, obviously, the capsicum with the onion, but one night I pulled all the cauliflower out, roasted all the cauliflower with thyme and onion with the coconut cream, and it was like a creamy pasta sauce. So you just use whatever veggies that you've got, roast it. It could even just be like a mixed bag of goodies. Put them all on, chop them up, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then just blend it all together with some coconut cream.